Good day doodlers, welcome to Draw Cartoons. As requested today I'm going to cover how to draw Grookey, the grass type starter Pokemon from Pokemon Sword and Pokemon Shield. Thanks to Alicia Robichaux for the suggestion. If there's something you'd like me to draw too, let me know in the comments below. Make sure you watch the whole video today because I've got some great tips for you as always. You're going to need a pencil, paper, an eraser and a Sharpie to go over your sketch with. Let's go! Let's get started. But first, if you want to learn to draw the fast and easy way, make sure you subscribe to the channel and ring that bell. Let's begin. So guess what, we're going to do what we usually do, we're going to start with the head. So let's draw a circle that is a little bit wider than it is tall. So I'm just going to do lots of small strokes with my pencil here. You might want to do the same, just kind of build that shape up, doesn't matter if it looks a little bit unneat at this point because we're going to erase all of our guidelines later, and that's all this is, it's just a guideline. So once you've drawn that, draw a small circle that this time is a little bit taller than it is wide down here on this side of the face. Okay, that's going to be Grookey's, I guess it's kind of like a muzzle, where his nose and his mouth are. So we end up with this kind of fried egg looking thing going on. So up at the top here, just kind of draw a small line here to show you the center of the object I'm about to draw. You want to draw a couple of leaves that are sprouting up out of the top of Grookey's head in this sort of shape here. We're going to go up like this to a point and then down, and obviously there's two of those. And then just inside each one there's a small line that stops halfway up each of those leaf shapes. So with that there we can draw the small stick that Grookey keeps behind these leaves, and it's quite a simple shape. It's just a small rectangle that's rounded at the ends and it's sitting behind that leaf like that. You can draw a small circle on the end of this one just to give it that kind of 3D look, so it's kind of pointing this way and also that way. Really nice easy 3D effect. And now either side of this circle that we drew earlier, either side of this, we're going to draw some eyes. So again we're going to draw some circles that are a little bit taller than they are wide, either side of that muzzle shape that we've got going on. And when you're placing these eyes, be very careful where you put them. Don't put them up here, you don't want them too high or too far to the side. Try and keep them quite close to this shape here, and make sure that the top of this shape here is roughly level with just over the middle of the eye, maybe the middle of the eye there. So I draw a line across just to show you. I want to kind of get it there, okay? And now the other eye, because Grookey's head's a little bit tilted, we're going to go a little bit higher, but we're also not going to go quite as low, and the rest of the eye is going to kind of sit behind that nose shape, again to kind of give that 3D look. So let's draw in a couple of pupils facing this way. So nice big pupils, just like this. Lots of fried egg shapes going on here really. And then a small, tall oval inside of those as a little bit of shine inside those pupils. So with those drawn in, let's draw the pattern on Grookey's face. So we'll start down here, we'll draw a kind of like a ring shape that loops up around the eyes, kind of following the shape of the eyes, and then we'll draw a small arrow here that points up towards the top of Grookey's head, and then around to the side of the face. And don't forget to just draw the bottom side of that pattern here, just kind of going off the edge there. We'll draw in a couple of small dots for the nostrils, and then a curve here that's a little bit pointy in the middle for the mouth. You see that? It's like a little bit sharp here as it comes back up. It's not too smooth a curve. Now we'll draw a small bump coming out here for one of the ears, and a small line inside just to show us where the lobe of that ear is. And on this side, we're going to draw a line across here, just kind of swings inside of the circle that we drew for the head earlier, and then juts right out like this to a point. And then once you get to there, bring it back down for the very bottom of that ear. And again, we're just going to draw in a line here to show us where the lobe is. So already our head is actually done, so let's draw the rest of the body now. So to do that, we'll start about here. We'll draw a line that goes across to about here before it curves down, kind of like a beanbag shape as we come up for the belly, and then tucks in right under the very middle of the head. Okay, so try and get that shape down. Might take you a few tries, but kind of come away a bit, go past the edge of this head. We're going a bit further than that if I just draw a line to show you. Around like this, and then back up to the middle of the head. Once you've drawn that, the rest of it is fairly easy to map on. So we'll draw the tail. The tail can start here, and it curves pretty much straight away into a bump at the end, and then we'll just follow that shape back behind him, just like this. There we go, make sure that all maps up there, all kind of matches up. Okay, so now we'll draw the nearer arm. So we'll start here, and we'll draw a line that goes pretty much straight down, it goes underneath the body, and then we'll draw 4 fingers, and draw them at an angle like this, because then it looks like they're placed on the ground and they're supporting Grookey where he's sitting. So once you've drawn those shapes, we'll come back up into the guideline that we drew for the body. I'm going to bring it out just a little bit before I finish it, so we get this kind of thicker shape at the top than it is at the wrist. We'll draw a small line across, because that's the pattern that he's got on his arms. And I will draw the other arm, so coming away from here, right underneath the head, we'll come out, we'll draw a small thumb as we reach where we want the hand to be, so the hand is going to end more or less level with the edge of the head, if you can see that. Let's draw a line down again to show you. See how that kind of matches up? So it's kind of a straight line down if you want to take that as your measurement. So 4 fingers sticking out like that, and then we just draw it back into the body. Again, I'm going to kind of bring it down just a tiny bit at the end there, if you can see that, so that it's a bit thicker at the shoulder than it is at the end of the hand. So now another small curve here to show the glove-like pattern on Grookey's arms. Now for the legs. So this leg, behind the character here, we'll draw a line coming out, and it dips back in before we can draw a couple of small toes just kind of sticking out. And now for the nearer leg. Now the nearer leg is a little bit obstructed by this arm here, so we don't have to draw most of it. We can draw the very top of the thigh here, just kind of sticking out there, and then we can draw a foot coming down from here into 3 small toes like this, 1, 2, 3, again drawn at a slight angle, and it tucks back in under the body just like that. So your sketch of Grookey is already done. So get your eraser, get your Sharpie first. With your Sharpie, you'll want to go over all the lines you want to keep, and then with your eraser, obviously get rid of all the guidelines. You don't need them anymore. So for example, we don't need this here. We don't need that there, for example. But yeah, go ahead and grab your Sharpie, go over the lines you want to keep, and you'll end up with this awesome drawing of Grookey. While you're going over your sketch with your Sharpie, it might be a great time to correct any last mistakes you spot as you go and fix them. And there he is, your very own drawing of the adorable grass type Grookey. Don't forget that you can now share your artwork in my Discord channel. Hit the link in the description below to join and start sharing right away. If you enjoyed today's tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Until next time.